Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm gonna unbox a DIY smartphone hardware kit. The thing they describe about the product is that the whole hardware is second-hand item and is from a scrapyard which someone used to throw away and someone's nicely took it, pack it and sell it. That's the item, that's the trick, guys. It has a decent specs which comes around 1,500 rupees. It is $20. Let's check its specs. It has top 4D surround sound, 8 plus 2.4 megapixel camera, Qualcomm Snapdragon 636, a powerful processor, AMOLED display, Android version 7.1.2, no gag, and is upgradable to 9.0 Android Pie, which is confirmed by the seller. The RAM is nearly 500 MB, the ROM is 16GB Ultra, which is real fast. The motherboard is by 5 and it is limited stocks and is imported from Netherlands. Yes, it's an international processor. So let's get on to this unboxing. You can see every international processor has similar shipping slip. Tracking number it is by push channel. Registered mail. Pretty bad packing, I think. Can see low quality plastic. Let's just cut it up. Can see that is my neighborhood post office seal. Cut it up. Oh, what's that? Not so yellow. There's nothing wrong on that. You can see there's a bunch of products for 1,500 rupees, guys. 1,500 rupees, Snapdragon 636, totally worth it. But the bad thing is that it has only 500 megabytes of RAM. You can see it is the panel, the body panel. It does not contain any body panel. Oh, there's a display, full AMOLED. No, it's an AMOLED display. Really good. I don't know what's that. What's that? Really good protection, I must say. Okay, nice. This is all we getting that. Clean this stuff up, and you can see this is the first one we got it up. It is a body port, but they said that it does not contain any body part and only hardware. I'm amazed, boys. So I think this is a part of hardware, I think. No, it's fully packed. No scratches. Amazing. Okay, the speaker is not pre-installed. Really good, very good plastic, flexible. I think it's an ABS plastic material. Now let's get on to the second item, which is the AMOLED display. You can see, guys, it doesn't look like an AMOLED, but it's really an AMOLED display, guys. If you don't believe me, just don't believe. You guys stay out there and just don't believe me. Actually, guys, this is an AMOLED display. I am saying it. It's true. I think it catches fingerprint smudges, which is really bad. Okay, let it be there. No, let's hide it, please. What's that? Really big. Cut it up. Plastic is it's a flammable board which contains a powerful Snapdragon 636 processor and a poor shit 500 megabytes of RAM. Next item. This thing is really packed. Let's cut it up. Okay. It's a clip-to-clip cable. I think it is for connecting motherboard to the power supply. So I think Fly is a local brand, guys. Do you guys know Voice Fly? Please comment down below. No, what? Totally don't love that. This stuff. That stuff's. Next item. I can't use the knife, it's pretty hard, guys, must say. Oh, that's the power supply. Press the I think vibration, I think. You can see it's a power supply. Let's check its volt and USB versions. Looks like that, okay. Oh, it has a USB 1.0, which is really poor. Just slightly move that sticker away. Let's check the rules. Does it support fast charging? No, guys, it doesn't support fast charging. It doesn't. Anyway, we got Snapdragon 636. Cool, isn't it? Now, what is this? Is this camera or anything? Let's check it. That's a cool way of unboxing. Okay, I think that's a mic. Oh, what's that? I actually don't know what is it. I have seen it many times on every smartphone. Please, guys, please let me know in the comment section what is it. Very nice way of cutting. Oh, that is the TomTom 4D surround speaker. Next item. Oh shoot! My hand! It hurts! I just cut myself. Oh my goodness. It hurts, dude. Anyway, let's throw that shit out of here. And use our hands to peel that up. That is the real natural way of unboxing, dudes. Oh, buy that. That is the front-facing 2.4 megapixel camera. I think it's AI. The processor is AI, I think. Snapdragon 636. I think it's AI. Oh, someone. Oh, there's the 8 megapixel camera. I think that's it. Oh, and a crab sticker. I don't know who the hell wrote the Sony logo on it. You can see a Sony logo. So that was it, guys. Don't forget to like, and if possible, please subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you there.